in today's video we're going to be looking at the 3 sets that got revealed officially on LegoCon. That was a disappointment, but yeah, we'll just look at them. There are 3 of them: Armored Marauder, Slave 1, and Moff Gideon's Light Cruiser. Yep, I think I got that right. Yeah, okay. Don't mind that, let's get right in. Okay, so first up we have the Imperial Armored Marauder. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, it comes with 4 minifigures, 2 Stormtroopers, Grief Cargo, and the Artillery Trooper. Now, as you know, 2 of them are only in the set. It's a very cool set. So, let's see what are the play features. So we can see that you can put one minifigure at the front, so you can try the whole thing, and there's 2 stud shooters on the sides, and then there's a place to put 2 minifigures inside. Then there's this at the back place where you can put another minifig, and then you can control the turret. There's a transparent piece over there. It's pretty cool. And the box shows you can open up the sides, which is pretty cool, and you can put these little crates in the side as well, and little turrets as well on the side as on the top. Okay, next up we have the Slave 1, which comes with 2 minifigures, the new Boba Fett, which is looking really cool, and the Mandalorian. As you have probably seen the price, it is pretty expensive for what we get. I mean, I get it. It has 500 something pieces, but come on, for that kind of price? Nah, I don't know. I thought I'll be buying it from the Lego store for the VIP points, but now I'm thinking I'm only buying the Marauder, maybe the circular small set. And okay, about the play features, it is actually a pretty cool set. If you take it over the play features, and it's a pretty cool set itself. But anyway, we get the handle that is on the back, and we can fly around a bit. I cannot remember did we get something like that with previously one, but maybe we did. Yeah, I think we did. But anyway, this is very cool for it to include, and we get this. What was his name? Something guard. But anyway, the frozen carbonite, and you can put him in the Slave 1, which is as well very nice. And if you buy the Han Solo, which is in the same kind of piece, then you can just recreate the scene. So that's cool. And then we have the wings that rotate. That's basically the best thing that we saw on the, for me at least, on the reveals at the LegoCon, that the wings actually rotate how they should. And we get the stud shooters, because a set without stud shooters or spring-loaded shooters is just not a set, isn't it? Then we have the transport vehicle, as they call it. It's pretty cool for me, even though some people don't like it as a stand. I like it even as a stand and as just another thing to play with. I mean, it's pretty cool. I like it, and yeah. So let's get to the last set. Okay, so the last but not least set is the Imperial Light Cruiser. It comes with 6 minifigures in Cara Dune, Fennec, Moff Gideon, the Dark Trooper, and the Mandalorian. Opens up in one place, which is kind of disappointing, but I can live with that. There are 2 places to put your little TIE fighters in, where you can then put them in the front and shoot them out, which is an awesome play feature, and I'm happy that they included it, because it was in the show, so it should be in the set. I like the design of the little TIE fighters, it's pretty cool. And then we get 3 big thrusters on the back. Then there is the bridge, which is also a handle, which is a very cool thing to include, but you cannot open up the bridge, so that is kind of bad, but okay. Then when you open up the set, which is only on the front, we have a lot of panels, that table in the middle, and a lot of space to put your minifigs, which is great, as we only get that one place to put any minifigs. So I'm really happy they did a lot of space for that, not like the Venator, where there's basically nowhere to place it. It's really tight, but there's more place to open up, because something goes on some cost. And then, oh yeah, Gung Grogu. Yeah, I didn't think about that. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for the inside. On the outside, we have the 2 turrets, and that's basically it. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Today I hit 70 subscribers, so thank you everyone for that. And to the next one. Bye.